Pritam. I am studying 6th standard in Chaitanya Olympiad School. Today I am going to explain the new topic, that is spheres of Earth. Spheres of Earth. The first sphere of Earth. In this spheres there are two types. First one is homosphere. And heterosphere. Now in first I am going to explain this space. Okay, spheres means in atmosphere there are 5 parts. First part is troposphere. This troposphere, it is from till 18 km, from ground level to 18 km. From this troposphere, next if we, in this troposphere speciality is all the aeroplanes will go here. You will think aeroplanes are going so far. No, between 18 kilometers only it will be there. And the clouds, you will think that it is full far, you will think that also you will think like that only, but aeroplanes will fly upper than the clouds. Mine one doubt is there. In comments you can say that if one aeroplane is going up, down all the clouds are there. Clouds will be hard. No, that time if the clouds will crash means the lightning will come. That time this aeroplane, how it will come down? The clouds will be hard, no? It can also crash with the clouds. That one doubt I am having, you can say. First it is troposphere. There aeroplanes will fly. And the clouds are below 18 km only, that is troposphere. After this troposphere, you can see here I have given gap. This is known as tropophase. The gap between the stratosphere and troposphere is tropophase. Next it is stratosphere. This is still 50 km it will go. Stratosphere, it is 50 km. You can see a balloon. Don't think that balloons will fly there. From India to another place to collect the information, not in India, they will send that to another country. They will leave the balloon. In that balloon down a strong rope will be there. That big balloon, it is like parachute, it will be there. Not like parachute, just one balloon. From that balloon they will fix the camera. That camera will zoom and it will show all the details. Those all balloons will fly here, and the jets flying area is 50 km. Best place to fly, because here air will not go like this and like this. Here one time air will go like this and one time air will come like this. Like that, no air moving. So there will be less friction. Friction means, if you throw a ball means it will make to stop it. That is known as friction, no? Opposite force. Here no air only, it is air, but no opposite direction air only means so speed the jet can go. That is stratosphere. And this troposphere is that I will say last. Third is mesosphere. Till 80 km mesosphere will be there. All the meteoroids, asteroids, all will fall in the mesosphere. And thermosphere. Thermosphere means hot gases will be there. These all asteroids will pass through it, and that time it will, because of the temperature, they will light the fire. And this mesosphere will change the direction like this. If it will go like this means it will change the direction. Those will pass like this away. Otherwise, our Earth will destroy. So, this mesosphere, see, naturally only it will convert. Thermosphere you got, and thermosphere is also known as ionosphere. Till this thermosphere is done, our walkie-talkie, mobile, TV radiations, all the radiations will go till thermosphere and they will come back. Those all radiations will say as thermosphere. Till thermosphere it will go and it will come. High temperature also it will be there. Now thermosphere, you understood, all the radiations will go till here and they will come back. Exosphere, there this will be there. What, all the satellites, that all it will be out. This thermosphere till 890 kilometers it will go. Thermosphere. In some textbooks, some they will be given. In some textbooks they give 20, but real is 18. And this is 30. No, this is 50. This is 80. No, this is 50. This is 80. No. See, troposphere is how much? 18. Till 18. And the stratosphere is 50. Mesosphere is 80. Thermosphere is 890. Exosphere out. That's it. Next, there are two types I have said you. Those two types, homosphere and heterosphere. I wrote small here, no place. So, in this homosphere there will be troposphere, stratosphere, and mesosphere. Homosphere, in hemisphere, and the homosphere in homosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and thermosphere, exosphere. In this thermosphere, one more part is there. In exosphere also one more part is there. For this thermosphere will also call as what? One time you say answer. It is ionosphere. For exosphere, what we will call it? Didn't say, now I will say. For this exosphere, magnetosphere also it will say. Magnetosphere. Magnetosphere. In homosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, heterosphere, thermosphere or ionosphere, and exosphere or magnetosphere. Don't think that we'll call the thermosphere as only ionosphere. Thermosphere and ionosphere are not different. These both are also one, these both are also one. Thank you.